Hello everyone, welcome to Daksh Chemistry. We were discussed few questions based on colloidal solution asked in CSIR Net Chemistry in my previous video. So in this video we will discuss about more questions asked in previous year papers. So let's start. The electrical double layer model among that consists of both fixed and diffuse layer is Helmholtz, Guy, Stern, Debacker. This question were asked in June 2019. So before solving this question, we will discuss about fixed layer and diffuse layer. What are these? After that, we can solve this question. So, for better understanding of electrical properties of colloids or concept of electrical double layer, we will consider the formation of silver iodide solution. How we can prepare it? Add sodium nitrate solution with excess of sodium iodide solution. We will get negatively charged sodium iodide solution. So negatively charged surface of sodium iodide solution, sodium iodide, it attract the positive sodium ions and repel the negative ions. Okay. As a result, positive ion, sodium ions tends to form a compact layer. हमारे पास negatively charged silver iodide solution है. This one, sodium ions are positively charged, iodide ions are negatively charged. सोडियम आयन और आयोडाइड आयंस एक कॉम्पैक्ट लेयर फॉर्म करेंगे, इसी को हम कहेंगे फिक्स्ड लेयर, और दिस फिक्स्ड लेयर is called Stern layer. At a certain distance, when we move this side, as the distance increases from our fixed layer of surface of colloidal particles, ion concentration of nitrate ion becomes equal to sodium ions. So, a state of electrical neutrality exists, that is called diffuse layer. So, अब हमारी जो स्टर्न लेयर है और डिफ्यूज लेयर, both of them make Helmholtz electrical double layer, and the potential difference between this stern layer, fixed layer or diffuse layer is called zeta potential, and distance between the stern layer and diffuse layer is called Guy-Chapman layer. So get to the point. What will be our answer? The electrical double layer, which consists of both fixed and diffuse layer, is Helmholtz, Guy-Chapman, Stern layer, Debacker. Stern layer is fixed layer and Guy-Chapman distance between our fixed layer and diffuse layer. So our correct answer is first. Helmholtz electrical double layer consists of both fixed and diffuse layer. Okay. The next question is, an intense purple color plasmon band is exhibited by a colloid consisting of silver particles of 10 mm diameter, silver particles of 5 mm diameter. So, our next question is, an intense purple color plasmon band is exhibited by a colloid consisting of silver particle of 10 mm diameter, silicon particle of 5 mm diameter, gold particle of 5 nanometer diameter, and iron particles of 3 mm diameter. So it is easy and tricky question. As we know, our colloidal particles ranges between 1 to 1000 nanometer approximately, and plasmon band, these bands are formed by nanoparticles. Based on these two information, we can say that our correct answer is this one, gold particles of 5 nanometer diameter, because in another three options diameter is given in millimeters. and we are talking about colloidal particles and plasmon band. So our correct answer is this one. Let me tell you a little bit more. Color of a colloidal solution depends on the wavelength of light scattered by the dispersed particle, and the wavelength of light depends on the size and nature of colloidal particles present in it. As we saw in the previous question, intense purple color of the colloidal solution is due to gold particles. So as we decrease the wavelength, what we get? We get red color gold solution. So another example is silver colloidal solution having 150 nanometer size particles appears violet, whereas that particle of size 75 nanometer appear orange, yellow. So color of the colloidal solution vary with the size of the particles. Thank you.